Hi, I'm Arcangelo Sassolino. The title of my work is Memory of Becoming. I like the title of the biennial very much because in our life we tend to simplify things. You are in one side or the other side, and the reality is much more complex of that. Is actually what is in between things that make complex the world and who we are. What is happening outside in the world is unpredictable. And I try inside my work to put that element inside the material, basically. What the people will see is like a big disc of steel, and the steel is coated with a thick layer of oil. The disc keeps rotating 24 hours a day. It cannot stop. It rotates very slowly, and the gravity will keep the oil dripping on the ground. But the rotation of the disc will keep it stay on it. What is happening and what people will see is something that is, I think, a little bit hypnotic, because the material will keep change the state. We keep drawing new form and will never the same second after second. And I think this factor of choosing a work that somehow keep transforming itself, I'm sure, is related to the title of the work. Art is not there to give answer, but is there to raise question. And the amazing thing about art is that is a language that can bring different culture together, and that is fantastic. 1 year ago, I was very happy to walk inside this space. It was completely empty, and immediately I felt that I need this kind of dimension of work and this kind of approach, because it's delicate, shows something that is fragile, and something that is unstable, and I think it could be a moment of reflection connected with the theme of the biennial.